Introducing the powerful Aryantra AY-PID-013G Impact Drill, built for performance, durability, and everyday use. Now let's begin the unboxing. Built with a strong 750-watt motor for powerful drilling performance. Operates on 220-volt power supply for reliable industrial use. Here we have the user manual for operating instructions and safety guidance. Next, here is the support handle for better grip and extra control while drilling. Here we have the depth gauge rod used for accurate drilling depth measurement. Next is the chuck key used for tightening and loosening the drill bit. And finally, the powerful Aryantra Impact Drill machine itself. Now let's look at the machine functions. On the top, you can see the black selector button. This button is used to switch between normal drilling mode and impact hammer mode. Use normal mode for wood, plastic, and metal drilling applications. Switch to impact mode for concrete walls, brick surfaces, and masonry work. Here we have the forward and reverse rotation switch for tightening and loosening operations. The variable speed trigger provides better speed control during drilling. With a 13mm drilling capacity, this machine is suitable for multiple industrial and household applications. Compact, powerful, and easy to handle. Aryantra AY-PID-013G Impact Drill, designed for reliable performance every time. Available now at IP4U official website.